Yo, what is up, people on the internet watching YouTube videos during their lunch break, or right when you get into work, or if you're working from home and you should be working and you're watching videos, or if you're unemployed. Shout out to all you people who enjoy sneakers and enjoy watching YouTube videos of people unboxing things. I appreciate you. Give me a subscribe. That would be awesome. I'd really appreciate that. And with that, let's see what we got today. We got some low heat in, I would say some high heat in the sandal slip-on world. Unless we're talking high-end fashion designer Gucci sandals. Unless we're talking those, some Louis Vuitton slippies. This is about as high heat as you can get for sandals, slides, slip-on footwear. So as you can see in front of me, I have 3 boxes from Adidas. And as you know from the YouTube title, you know what these are already. So I won't beat around the bush with that. But shout out to, let's give a big round of applause to Adidas's Confirmed app. I hit on all 3 of these colorways that just dropped in the Yeezy Slides. That's what we got here, the Yeezy Slides. That's cool. We put slide on the front, on the top. Hit on all 3 colorways, and I would never hit on that like that on sneakers. And I know these people were going after these. These are an easy flip. We'll talk about that in a little bit. So definitely there was people trying to cop these for sure, and I was able to hit on all 3 pairs. I am like the highest tier creator or whatever, the creator club, so maybe that has something to do with it, but I don't always hit. So I've had a lot of success recently, so shout out to Confirmed. So on to what we have here. This is my first pair of slides that I've gotten. Real quick, this is the Resin colorway we're about to see. And I got it in a size up because these do run small apparently. So I've bought sandals and I bought them even half size up and they still seem a little small. Seems like my heel is slipping out the back. So I made sure to go to half size up just in case I keep these. And so let's take a look at these first before we talk more. Are they individually wrapped? No, they're not individually wrapped. Wow. These feel funky. I don't know if you guys have a pair of these or have ever felt these, but these are rubbery. I just want to throw this at something. Hit my if I was about 25 years younger, I'd want to hit my younger brother with this. These are some thick, chunky boys. Look at those things. This is the Resin colorway. Again, if you haven't felt these before, these feel funny. These are interesting. I don't think these are made out of that same material the foam runners are made out of, which is like a seaweed component. Here we got, can you see that? All right, size 13. Doesn't say made in China. They have the interestingly enough, they have the 3 stripes logo here on the heel, not the trefoil leaf. But I guess they have that on the box here too. Same thing for the 3 stripe logo. Very interesting, interesting materials they're made out of. So the Yeezy Slides kind of made their debut, what would you say, like a year ago, a little over a year ago, kind of during the start of the pandemic. And people were saying that these were great, would make great house shoes. $60 for house shoes, not terrible. There's more expensive like slippers you could buy, Birkenstocks. Just regular Adidas Slides are cheaper. You could buy some definitely fancy footwear. House shoes have become a thing since the pandemic. So let me know in the comments what you guys have been doing during the pandemic and then continuing forward. Do you own a pair of house shoes? Do you own a pair of house sandals, slippers, slip-ons? Do you just wear shoes? What I do in the house, and it hasn't really changed since the pandemic, I don't wear shoes in the house really. And I don't wear slippers. I don't wear slip-ons. I just wear feet. I wear feet. Wear my socks or just go shoeless, footwearless. That's what I do in my house. What do you guys do? Have you transitioned to a house shoe? What is it? Let me know in the comments. Let's move on to the next pair. So these were the Resins. Let's see what we got next. So that's one question for the comments. Are you house shoe people, house slipper people? What do you rock? Second question. Are you sandal people? I think everyone owns a pair of sandals, right? I definitely do. I own a couple pairs of sandals. Right now I have some rainbows I wear to the beach. I bought, in a previous video, you can see some Nike Stussy collab slides. Back in the day when I played soccer a lot, of course I had some Adidas slide type sandals for after games and prior to games, for going into cleats and taking off the cleats, what I'd wear around. So are you sandals people, and what sandals do you wear? Let me know. But those are my main sandals that I have. I think I have a pair of Volcom sandals too, but mainly rainbows. Rainbows last forever. And yeah, I got those Nike Stussy slides. I don't know why I avoid wearing different brand stuff when I'm doing an unboxing. Like, I won't wear Nike stuff. It's not like Adidas is going to take notice and be like offended. So, but anyways, I try to keep it on brand. So here we go. Which ones do we got now? We got the Pure. This is perfect because I wanted to open the Enflame ones last, and this is just serendipitous that I would open the Pure ones next. So let's see these. So that's what you gotta let me know in the comments. Do you wear house shoes, house slippers, and what sandals are you rocking with? Which sandals do you mess with? Okay. Ooh, I like this colorway a little bit better. I don't know if you can tell. Obviously similar to the other pair, but kind of digging the Pure here. Nice little light brown color. Could definitely see these. I'm gonna put the next pair on foot, and we'll see. Like, I've heard tell that these are comfortable. Oops, sorry about that. But definitely like these. Let's see these in comparison to the Resins. There you go. Definitely thinking the Pure look better than the Resin colorway. So there we go. Next, and let's do the final third one. I'm super stoked I was able to get these. Let's talk about now the resale factor. These retail for $60. These retail for $60, and they're going anywhere from like 150 to 300 to more than 300. I think with they've released more of these now, different colorways, similars. The prices have definitely come down. Maybe some of the older colorways, which are harder to get, are a little pricier, but I don't know if anyone's actually paying the requested price, right? So things could be listed for $330. I don't know if anyone's paying for Yeezy Slides at that price, especially when new colorways are dropping constantly. So these are definitely a flip. Easy flip, $60. I don't know who is paying $200 for these things. Now, granted, what is fair is like, who pays $1,000 for some Chicago ones? That's a fair question too. So I don't blame you if you're asking that. But just, I would say I can't. Why would you pay $200 for these? Now, if you really liked them, I could see paying maybe $100. That seems semi-reasonable if you got the money. First world problems, and you can't get these for retail. That seems about, within a ballpark of reason. But yeah, anything more than that, I think is crazy. That being said, when I was saying like they keep releasing these in different colorways, I can see these wearing out quickly, right? So if you wear these out in the street, gravel, etc., these are definitely going to get torn apart probably pretty quickly. Get scuffs, dirty, punctures. This bottom's going to get ripped up. It doesn't seem this seems like the same material that's on the side, pretty soft, maybe slightly different. No, I think it's the same. So you would go through these pretty quick if you're wearing these outside on the street. So that I can see you go needing multiple, if you're a fan of these, needing multiple pairs as you go through them if you're going to wear these outside. So finally, we have the last pair, and these are like similar, right? Have these come out? I think these may have even come out already. Damn, the one box that they crushed was the one that's going to be the most sought after, because this colorway has not come out yet. This is a new colorway for them, the Enflame Orange. And of course, they crushed the box. FedEx. No shout out to FedEx. So let's see these. Box is a little crimped. So these ones are definitely going for a little more because these are for sure a different type of colorway than the previous ones. And these are really bright. As you can tell, these are even brighter in hand than pictures online show. These are like basically hunter orange is the colorway, flame orange, I would say. These are really cool. So now that I have these out, I'm going to try these on in a second. I am definitely considering, again, because I'm not a huge Yeezy shoe person or Kanye person at the moment, I'm definitely considering flipping all these to fund my shoe habit. That being said, I'm not going to be wearing, if I do keep a pair, I wouldn't be wearing these in public really. These would become a house shoe, a house slipper. So let me know in the comments if you're still watching, should I keep a pair of these? Because I can flip these and basically get a free pair. Should I keep a pair of slides as Yeezy Slides as a house shoe? Let me know. If I get enough people saying I should keep a pair, maybe I will. Or let me know if I should flip these all, turn these into different unboxing videos. And if you want me to keep a pair, if you think I should, it obviously makes no difference to you. If you think I should keep a pair, which colorway should I keep? These will definitely resell for the most because of the uniqueness of the colorway. So these will resell the most. So I would prefer to resell those. I like them. I like bright colorways. I like these a lot. If I would say, let's see here. If I had to pick a favorite, this goes with the most stuff. I like these. It would be the Enflame orange or the Pures. Like the Resin the least. So yeah, like these two the most. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's take off. Let's try these on really quick. It's getting a long video. I got my Sean Witherspoons on. Check out that unboxing video. Look at all the details. They trapped threads in there. That's awesome in the heel cap. Someday I'm going to make an Instagram video cutting this stuff off. Just do a little satisfying video. I also got a pair of kids' shoes of these recently. Did an unboxing video. And I forgot to mention in that video, the kids' ones are not cheap. They were $100. Not a cheap kids' shoe. But they also have like the most details of any kids' shoes I've ever seen. So there's that. But yeah, liking these. Check out that unboxing video. These are super dope, the Sean Witherspoons. All right, let's see what these look like. We'll go right to the Enflame. See if the fitting is correct, because they did say these run small. And already, yes, definitely. So I'm a size 11.5, sometimes 12, depending. If I would have got a 12, these would have been too small. Look at that. These are a size 13, and just like I was talking about, my heel's hanging off. So definitely go a size up, full size up. If not, maybe even 2 if you like your sandals loose and floppy on your feet. Go up 2 sizes maybe even. Look how it's like, now granted I have a sock on. I'm not going to subject you to my feet, but look at that. I could tell these would be super comfortable too. No cap, these would be very comfortable house shoe. And yeah, the sock is what's killing me a little bit. I think they would fit a little better, obviously, with no socks. But that's the sizing review. Go half size up. Let's try on the other ones really quick, see how they look. I don't want to get these too dirty. People will be like, oh my God, you wore them. Yeah, I could definitely see where these are comfortable. Could definitely see myself wearing these around the house. But for sure, go full size up, if not 2 sizes. Okay, yeah. I think with no socks, these would be fine. I think these only go up to size 14. I don't know what like basketball players or people with giant feet do. Maybe they do make sizes even bigger in certain colorways, but in general, they only go up to 13, 14. So there you go on feet. I think these are like kind of ugly, but again, if you're just wearing these around the house, who the hell cares? These are just big foam shoes. So for $60, not the worst purchase in the world, but definitely an easy flip if I can get. Again, prices are coming down on these a little bit. But yeah, if I can sell these for like $150 each, that's a nice little pocket change to buy a next pair of shoes. So again, I think I'm going to probably flip these. Let me know in the comments if I should keep a pair, wear them around the house, and let me know which colorway. Otherwise, I'm going to be selling these soon in the near future. Keep the shoes coming for the channel. Appreciate everyone watching. Subscribe, please. That'd be most appreciated. And then let me know, are you rocking with house shoes, and what sandals you wearing. Hit the like button. Sure, go ahead. Hit the like button if you like the content. That might help too. Who knows? All right, peace.